Hello, good day everyone. This is Garema Academy. We are offering Ultimate Exec course. In case you are just meeting us for the first time, my name is Pastor Steve Ineze. We are best in teaching Exec from the beginner to the advanced level. If you just got this course, meaning you bought it, you are welcome. Congratulations for a new step or phase of life in your career. Now I'm going to start immediately. Like you can see on the screen, this is the Ultimate Exec course. This is the Ultimate what? Exec course. Ultimate Exec course. Alright. Now we're looking at each stage by stage, one after the other. Let's look at what the course ought to offer about the course. The Ultimate Exec course carry a course is crash video course that is meant to take you from total newbies to professional Excel user with over 40 top-notch Excel formulas and all other aspects of the Excel. So these are what we are going to look into in this course. This is me about the author. Because if you take notice, when we started, my live view was shown, and this is my picture on the Excel as the CEO of this company. Alright, welcome to Garema Academy. I am Steve by name, the CEO of GRA, that's Garema Academy. Garema Academy isn't your average Excel user. They are a passionate tutor which turns Excel fears into spreadsheet magic. GRA make learning Excel fun and easy, whether you are a beginner or a pro. They have helped countless people unlock programs, powerful and transform their work. Ready to level up your Excel skills? GRA offers session, workshop, course to fit your needs. Become an Excel whiz with GRA gadgets. Contact us on GRA today on 081 580 54341. You are welcome. Look at the next slide. What is Microsoft Excel? What is Microsoft Excel? What is Microsoft Excel? Sorry for that. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. It is basically a big digital worksheet where you can organize information in rows and columns. You can use it for many things, including you can use for things like data entry and management. You can enter all sorts of data into cells, from numbers and text to date and times. Then you can sort. You can also filter. You can organize that data however you need it. Next thing is calculating the formula. It can also calculate formula. Excel is great at mathematics. You can use formula to perform calculation on your data, like adding things up, finding averages, or doing more complex things. It can also be used for chart and graph. Ever look at a pie chart or a bar chart? You can use Excel to create those charts and graph from your data, which can be a really helpful way to see trends and patterns. Excel can also be used for project management. Excel can also be used to track projects, create budgets, and manage your time. Why should I study MS Excel? Why should I study MS Excel? Number one, Excel make your life easier. Number two, Excel get you hired. There are a lot of jobs all over there. See, lot of jobs want people who know Excel. Many companies over there need people who know Excel. It look good on your resume. Like LinkedIn, there are 624 job vacancies that require at least a minimum knowledge on Excel or Microsoft Excel in Nigeria. Leverage your professional network and get hired. New Microsoft Excel job added what? Daily in LinkedIn. Now let's look at next one. It said do more. So when do we study what? Excel. You do more or less time. When you are working, you do more or less time in your data. Excel automates stuff so you can relax. It also help you crunch numbers quickly, no matter how big they are. It makes smarter choice. Excel turns data into charts so you can see what's really going on. This helps you make good decisions. Learn once, use everywhere. This key you learn with Excel apply to other programs too. Are you getting me? Hope you are following. The next is not just work. Excel is not just for work. Excel track your budget, plan parties, manage everything with Excel. It is super handling pen spark. Thank you. You are welcome. Alright, I'm going to look at importance of Excel. What are important? Now, boss with number. Let you crush. It helps you crush numbers, organize data, and do fancy calculation with ease. No matter how big they are, once you can put them to your Excel program, it crush them easily with lesser time. Number 2, data wizard. Excel is data wizard. You can sort, you can filter, you can analyze huge amount of information to find trends you might miss otherwise. The next thing is chart camp. You can turn your data into clear charts and graphs to impress everyone, or at least understand your data better. It unlocks job. Many jobs love seeing Excel skills on your resume. Time saver. The last point here is automate tasks and calculate to get things done faster. That's what Excel does. Now let's look at the benefits. What you need to gain, what you're supposed to gain when using Excel. Number 1, powerful and versatile. Excel can handle a wide range of tasks, from simple calculation to complex data analysis. Number 2 is data management. It organizes large amount of information and let you sort, filter, and find what you need quickly. Number 3, Excel, you can also benefit Excel by helping you in analysis made easy. Excel help you uncover trends and insight of your data with tools like chart and pivot tables. The other benefit is it boosts productivity. Automate repetitive tasks and calculation to save time and effort. Valuable skills. The last one is valuable skills. Valuable skill. Excel proficiency is sought after by many employers and can improve your job prospects. Alright, that is the main thing about Excel. We want to dive into the practical aspect in Excel. We want to look at the outline. But before we do that, we are going to look at the outline and look at the practical aspect of Excel. So get ready, make sure your computer is ready, prepare so that we're going to be doing them one after the other. Get your material ready as we work on the practicals. Thank you if you are just coming. God bless you for watching. I'll see you in the next class.